Hello everyone, this is going to be a step-by-step video on how to purchase Tsuki Inu. As you guys can see, this is one of those new tokens that's been out only for 3 days. So if you missed out on Dogecoin, on Shiba, Kishu, or any other those community tokens, there's going to be a great opportunity to times 10, times 100, or times 1,000 could possibly be. But if you want to buy it, all you have to do, go to their website. All their links are going to be on the description below. First thing, you can go through their website and just kind of look into what Kino it's all about. So it's a community-driven token. It has rewards for every purchase and sell. It goes back to the people that are holding, and it is rug-proof. So the liquidity has been locked and burned. So the steps on how to buy, it's pretty simple. Just to narrow it down, you have to have Ethereum because it's purchased on the Ethereum network. You're going to need Ethereum. You're going to need somewhere where to put the Ethereum. That's where Metamask is going to come into place. And then you just have to link to Uniswap. For those of you that don't have that much understanding of how that works, Metamask is going to be a Google extension that you can just go to Google, search Metamask, you download it. It's going to have you create an account and everything. It's free. You don't have to pay for that. Second thing, you're going to need Ethereum so we can send it to Metamask. Most people buy Ethereum from Coinbase, from whatever place you can get it. All you got to do is just purchase Ethereum with cash. Once you have your Ethereum and you're already logged in into your MetaMask, you're going to want to send that Ethereum there. Once you have your Ethereum here, you're going to go back to the website for Tsuki Inu. If you see here, there's going to be a link where it says buy on Uniswap. Once you do that, what it's going to open is going to open this interface right here. This is where you're going to pretty much you're going to have your own exchange. Every time that you're going to do a new token, you're going to get that warning saying that this token doesn't appear, blah, 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 warnings. You just got to put import, and that's automatically going to put in there. Right there is just showing the amount that I have, but the way it was going to come out, it's actually going to be backwards. It's going to show what token are you trying to buy with, which in this case will be Ethereum. Right now I don't have that much Ethereum in there, but so that way we can do it like a test purposes. We can do, let's say if I want to buy 0.001 Ethereum, I think that's not enough. Let's see. There you go. It's going to ask you if you want to go to V2, which is the other version of Uniswap, which is fine. So it would tell me, okay, with this amount, which is worth $3, we're not going to complete the purchase, but I just want to show you step by steps. So if I wanted to purchase $3 worth of KINU, it will give me this amount of tokens. So I will get, about, let's see, 3, 6, about 22,000 or so, 22 million. So one thing that you want to do is going to be increase your slippage. You can put it, depending on how volatile the thing is at the moment, I usually do anywhere about 3% or 4%. So let's say if we do 4% just to be safe, just click outside of that, and all you got to do is click swap. It's going to tell you to confirm your swap. When you go to the next step, it's going to open up your MetaMask wallet, and it's going to ask you, hey, are you authorizing for us to do this? One thing that you have to be mindful of is whenever you're going to make a transaction, there's gas fees included. So for the most part, apply the most amount of money that you can do that you're comfortable. That is, if you lose it all, you're not going to be complaining about it later. So in this case, you always want to do your gas. You want to go to fast gas instead of, even though you see slow, average, ignore those. You want to do a fast transaction, because what happens, you're giving it a 4% play by the time the transaction gets to the market. So if it changes by more than that, the transaction is not going to complete, but it's still going to charge you your computation fees, which will be your gas fees. So if you do fast, it usually takes a couple of seconds. If you do average, it takes minutes. So by the time your order gets there, it could be too late, and slow, absolutely, that transaction is going to fail. So if I select fast, right now it's telling me I can save it because I'm not doing the transaction anyway. But after that, what's going to happen, I just got to click confirm. Automatically sends the order. You're going to get a confirmation, and then you're going to see the tokens into your MetaMask. Typically, it will ask you if you want to add the token, but if for whatever reason you don't see the token into your MetaMask, all you got to do is at the very bottom, you're going to see where it says add tokens. All you got to go is click where it says custom tokens, and you just got to type in the address for whatever token you're trying to do, and you see it will be, that one was one that I had on there. But once you added it, all you got to do is just click next, and it will be added, and you'll be seeing the amount of tokens that you received. Again, if you have any questions or anything regarding how to buy it, just go ahead and put it on the comment section below. Thanks.